Hello everyone and welcome back, and today's video we are going to be doing Guess the Palette. And if you are new here and just clicking on this video just right now, hi, hello and welcome. And in this game I do basically a makeup tutorial and I will give you some clues. I'll also put the clues down in the description box down below, and you have until next Monday, so you have basically a full week to put your guesses in and decide what palette I'm using. You will have 5 clues and I'll give you those clues throughout this video, and I'll also show you some of the swatches of the shades that I will be using, and you can discuss down below in the comment section what you think I am amongst each other. If you're into like makeup games and makeup in general, please subscribe before you leave, or quickly go and click the button now so then you don't have to try and hunt me down and find me again in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, cool, let's get straight into it. Okie dokie. So let's get my shades ready. So can't show you it. So the first shade I'm going to be using is 24K is the shade, and the shade I will swatch on my arm for you. Actually, let's just quickly put the swatches up for you so you can see. Okay, so here are the shades. So the first one is Polar, then we have 24K, then we have Magnetic, and then we have Flashing. Okay, these are the shades we're going to be using, and I'll give you the clues throughout the video. And here are the finger swatches too, just in case you're wondering what they look like. Very pretty. Okay. Okay, first clue, because you're probably going to be wondering why I'm not using a brush for this palette. I am an all shimmer palette. Okay. Okay, and the first shade I'm going to go into on my lid is 24K. I'm going to take, which is this lovely, the lovely golden metallic-y shade. And I'm just going to take that and put that pretty much all over my lid. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. I've already prepped my eyes, everything. I'll link everything below for you. She is a stunner. That is so, like, how wet gold is that? That is so pretty. Wow. Wowzers. That's so nice. Put that one down. Okay. I know I probably will always use a brush in a minute actually. I'm going to take my little wet brush now. Okay, and I took some of my Love Shy Glitter Fix Gel for the inner corner. I'm taking one of my little brushes to pick the shade up because I want it to be quite close. And the next shade I'm taking up is Polar, which is like that icy blue shade. I just picked up that much on my brush. I'm going to go right here. It really packs a punch. So pretty. I like putting gold and blue together. It looks so nice together. I'm sort of mixing those to there. Just like that. Sort of making them bleed into one another a little bit. Okay. And then I'm just going to take a bit more of my Love Shy. Any excess off the back of my hand. I'm just going to put some out of the corner here. Because these are shimmery shades, I just want to make sure they stick and that go, you know, pack a punch. So the next one I'm going to dip into is the Magnetic shade, which is like the really deep navy blue shade. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. And your clues are coming. I have not forgotten. I got sucked into doing this then. Okay. So, clue number 1. I'm an American brand. I already told you I'm a all shimmer palette. I am based on a popular light display. And your last clue is the company unfortunately went bankrupt. Do you know who I am? Put your guesses in the comment section below and chat amongst other guys in the comment section and see if you know what palette this is, or if you know what the company is but you're not sure what the palette is yet. Somebody in the description box below, I'm sure would have gotten it by now. I mean. Just gonna blend that out a bit more. That dark shade in with that one. I'm actually going to swap brushes now that I've stuck those down. Might not have needed to use the Love Shy, but I wasn't sure because I haven't gone into this palette for a while. Now I'm looking for my smudge brush. Taking that same really dark blue shade, which is called Magnetic. This time I'm not using anything to stick it. I'm just going to put it along the lower lash line and see how that does. Oh, it actually blends out really well without anything. I'm just creating like a little wing with the powder. I'm just going to take it along the lash line, but not all the way in. Just going to leave it on the outside. And the next thing I'm going to do is I will take just a bit more Love Shy, stick it in the corner. Don't feel like I've got any then. And now take the excess off the back of my hand. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Flashing, which is a lovely silver shade. Okay, might get a bit of fallout, but then stick it in the corner. Whoa. Okay, yeah, this is a palette that I definitely will be going back in and doing some looks with because I have forgotten how pigmented these shades are. They are gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'm back. Are you ready for the finished look? Here's the finished look. I am blown away by this look. I really have forgotten how good this palette is. I'm so glad doing this series of Guess the Palette Game because it makes me dip in to these older palettes. Another hint. But isn't it lovely? Look at that sparkle. And also just goes to show you can do quite a bit and some cool looks with if you do have an all shimmer palette. Let me know in the comments what you think the palette is. I really love it if you would just have a guess. Even if you're not sure, go on, have a guess. It's super fun. And I'll just go through the clues again, even though it's going to be down below. So if you're looking. So number one was, I'm an American brand. I'm a shimmer only palette. The company unfortunately went bankrupt. And I'm based on a popular light display. Ooh, and the year I came out, I forgot to tell you this one. The year I came out was 2018. Okay? That's a wrap, my lovelies. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because I see there's a few of you that are watching my videos but aren't hitting that subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. It's just down below. Take you like not even a minute of your life to do. Please. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all again, and I'll let you know next Monday who the winner is. And also I have announced the winners down below too that won the last week's Guess the Palette. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.